All right, check this one out. We've got a Colorado RST there. That's a one owner that was bought here new. Just gonna do a quick little walk around so you can check it out, see what you think. Let me know. All right, this is a 2019 Colorado RST. Does have some extra accessories on it when it was bought brand new. The RST you don't see a whole lot of. They only, I think 19 was the first year for them, if I remember correctly. But this truck was bought here new. It's all GM accessories that are on it. The fender flares, the bug shield. The 20-inch wheels came with the vehicle. The running boards came with the vehicle. The black badging came with the vehicle. They did add the black molding. The truck only has 6,000 miles on it. Very clean inside and out. Cloth interior with a power driver's seat. Child safety locks and safety windows. Auto 4x4, 4 high and 4 low, along with a built-in brake controller. It is the full 4-door crew cab. And what's nice about these is you can actually, unlike the full size, I can flip the top down, or I can lift the seat up and have seat storage underneath there as well. Off-road style running boards. That is a GM option. It does have the Bose stereo system. Color touch display. It does have factory navigation. It also has your user login, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, factory towing package, lane departure warning, forward collision alert. Since it has navigation, this little white box right there, that'll actually be your posted speed limit as well, which is great. Spray in factory bed liner. Lockable tailgate, easy lift tailgate. Pre-wired for towing. If you'd like to know more, give me a call at 800-642-1566. Thanks again.